Did you know you can share your Buncees directly to Schoology? Hi, my name's Gabby, and today I'll show you one way that you can share your Buncees to Schoology. So this is an example I have here. This is a geometry scavenger hunt. It's something that my students can do at home. They can go around the home and they can find different objects that correspond to these shapes. So it's something they can do at home, a fun little activity they can complete. So if I want to, I can assign this to my students on Schoology. So first I'm going to go to Share. I'm going to make sure this Buncee is copyable so they can copy it and edit it. And now I'm going to go to Code. I'm going to go to this top code right here and click Copy. And now I'm ready to share to Schoology. So I'm going to go to my Schoology, and here under Upcoming, I can add this Buncee as an upcoming event. So I'm going to go to the calendar. And let's say I wanted my students to have this assignment for tomorrow. So I can click on that date, and then I can go ahead and click this link button, and I can link my Buncee. So I just copied that code from before so I can link it. I'm just going to give it a title. I'm going to call this Geometry Scavenger Hunt, and click Attach. And then I can give this a title. I'm going to call it Geometry Scavenger Hunt as well. And then I can enter a description here. So the Buncee has directions. So all I have to do here is say something like, open this Buncee and follow the directions. Now I can click Create. And it's as simple as that. So now when my students go into their Schoology accounts, of course, they will see it on the side right here. They'll see it in their calendars like we saw it in our calendars here as well. And they can click on the scavenger hunt, they can click on the link, and then they can click on it right here and of course open up the Buncee. Now they'll also have the option to go in and they can submit once they complete this Buncee, or if perhaps they wanted to complete another Buncee and turn that in, they could go ahead and submit that to Schoology as well. And it's as simple as that. That's it. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.